Today we're talking about how to make a new team member feel welcome. This is so important, and there are different scenarios where this applies. Could be someone coming in new to your company, maybe someone new to your group, or even new to your project. So here are a few quick reminders and tips for your new member. So first of all, send a welcome. It could be a card, it could be a letter, a package, or even an email, just to say, hey, we look forward to working with you. Also, welcome them on their start date and be excited when they show up. Sometimes I've seen where the new people come on board and no one is around and no one there to receive them and they just feel lost. So when they start, just say something like, we've been looking forward to meeting you. Also, number 3, introduce them and mention something specific about them, about the value they bring. Maybe something like, hey, this is our new software developer, or this is our new rocket scientist. So people know who they are and what they're bringing to the table. Also, number 4, have a welcome gathering. Maybe plan to have lunch or coffee. Some people say, well, how do we do this if it's virtual? Well, you could schedule a call and let people visually see, maybe have a video call these days, and just have people on the team be there so they can see one another and just introduce. Also, meet with them to review their roles and responsibilities, expectations. Hopefully you've covered them before they start, but it's good just to sit down and have them go over what they're expected to do. And also cover the handbook that includes who we are, what we do, and what we stand for, so they know more about either your company, your group, or your project. And then also provide any kind of training they may need. There may be something on the policies or something regarding the project or even the company, and give them support. Just make sure they understand. I know sometimes whether it's been a new company that I'm working with, a new client, a group, or even a project, sometimes just the new information and all the new names and faces can be overwhelming. So providing that support is very special too. And then number 7, give them a plan. Everybody needs a plan that makes them feel secure and confident about what they're supposed to do. And then continue to follow up and just ask them, hey, how's it going? Just to make sure they feel comfortable, they understand where to be and what they're supposed to do. So these are a few quick reminders and tips, and if you need additional information on how to welcome your new team member, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.